Infosystems. In this video, I will show you how we can add any custom buttons or we can add any action button in the POS. So for the action button, I means the buttons which we are seeing here. So here I have added a custom button here. I will show you how we can add the custom button here. So for this, we have to inherit the template first of all. So this template is the control button template. So here we have inherited the point of sale control buttons template. So we will see here is a code for the default control buttons. So for adding a button here, we have to inherit this template and provide the suitable XPath. So here we have provided the XPath using TF, and then we will go in div and we have added a button inside it. So now a button will be added here. So as we can see that our custom button is added here using our this XML. So now we have added a on click function, which is click on custom button on this button. So the JS file for this is here. This is our method click on custom buttons. So as we can see that this control buttons also have a JS in the default Odoo. So it is used as class control buttons. So for adding any method, any function for the control buttons, we have to patch this or we have to inherit these control buttons. So in our custom code, we have patched our control buttons, and then we have added a simple dialog for click on custom button. So using this, we can add a simple action button in our POS screen. So let's test it now. So here is our custom button. Whenever I will click on it, our alert is open. Click on custom button, which we have added here. We can also add any custom template here or any custom dialog here. So it will be open in this action. Thank you.